Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a TapTap transaction. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, to cancel a transaction, it's essential to act swiftly as cancellations are only possible before the funds are delivered to the recipient. So to cancel a TapTap Send transaction, there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So we can check the transaction status. So open the TapTap Send app and navigate to your transaction history. If the transaction status is pending, there's a possibility to cancel it. If the status is completed or delivered, the funds have already been sent and cancellation isn't possible. So what we can do here is contact TapTap Send support. So there's a few different ways. We can go in-app support. So tap the menu icon in the top left-hand corner, select help and feedback and choose customer support and provide your transaction ID along with a reason for cancellation. Also, they've got email support here as well and phone support. So you can send an email to support@TapTapSend with your transaction details and cancellation request.